Wow, guys, look at Rapterra now in the skyline of King's Dominion. So King's Dominion doesn't actually have a lot left. I don't really see a lot of parts over here of the maintenance shed. They've kind of pushed it back a little bit. So yeah, I'm guessing all the pieces are inside the park. This is my first time being back at King's Dominion since they've actually announced Rapterra, and they have many of these displays showing what the ride's going to be like. Very similar to what Dorney did for Iron Menace last year, so. Merch, just like Iron Menace, looks really great. I might pick myself up one of these. I'm hoping they come out with a parkscape for King's Dominion really soon with Rapterra on it. Dominion is also starting to get ready for Haunt. I've only been to Dorney Park's Haunt, so I want to see what King's Dominion's Haunt is. So I guess I'm going to get a little bit of a sneak preview today. But yeah, what I can see, it looks incredible. King's Dominion's Haunt is very similar to Dorney Park's. Look, here's Trick or Treat. Blood on the Bayou is back there by Twisted Timbers. So a lot of similar, but I bet you they don't have Ghost in the Machine. A 30-minute wait on Twisted Timbers, and we are now heading into Jungle X. You see, we got another station here where the TVs are set up. Everyone here at King's Dominion is wanting to see what this layout is going to be for Rapterra. And wow, this really just looks stunning. Pretty much they cut all the track complete, so let's go check it out. So King's Dominion recently last weekend just returned to their weekend operations schedule. During that time, they were able to complete these elements that go over the midway, such as the turnaround and the wing slide right there. But it really does just look amazing. And the old volcano station really is going to be a great centerpiece and a great piece of theming in this area. Wow. We got the dive loop right there. Gonna come up over here, turn around over the midway, the wing slide, head into that corkscrew, the airtime hill, and I do believe they were working on the final Raptor roll. So it's very exciting. Now we're coming down here by Flight of Fear. Wow. So it just has to complete that last turn into the final brake run, and they're done. Guys, we're not even, to September here, and this thing is pretty much all put together. in your face great adventure. Imagine in the next upcoming weeks, we should finally see Rapterra track complete. And that will be fantastic. Then they can start theming. I'd imagine they'd probably start theming around Winterfest because they're probably gonna close off Jungle X. They probably want to keep Jungle X open for haunt. They might be able to do a little bit of theming in the backstage areas on the construction side, but then the theming in Jungle X will probably start once Winterfest begins. And then hopefully testing as well during Winterfest. Maybe a little bit early, we might start seeing this thing running. I imagine probably not while park hours are going on, but yep. And then we'll have our off season over this winter. And then King's Dominion opens in March. And I definitely think Rapterra will be ready by then. You know, Cedar Fair loves getting their coasters open by opening day. They're not Six Flags. So it'll be fantastic. Two rides there on Project 305. Kind of want to head.
It's awesome.
Yeah, amazing. All right, I kind of want to go get dinner now. Yeah, guys, here's the reason why this is the best theme park food. Absolutely fantastic. Dinner there at Grain & Grill, always fantastic. Time to head to the best B&M floorless coaster, Dominator.
Meet you guys are out here to the street, sit up tall, and enjoy your ride on Dominator. See y'all later.
Best B&M floorless coaster ever. I'm sorry, but you know, I just love these low to the ground moments. And the thing I like about Dominator, especially, it's unique and it's fast. Hydra at Dorney Park, my home park, is also unique, but Hydra's slow. Dominator is fast. Like these low to the ground moments towards the end, and then this one right here, the turn into the high above turnaround, so good. Those are my favorite parts of it. And it really just, it always just has such a cooking speed, even during like Winterfest. Amazing B&M floorless coaster. I wish every single one of them was like Dominator.
Looking out here, Sunshine, hold on so I can enjoy your ride.
Like
classic right there on Grizzly, and now it's time for Racer 75. Let's go.
The little straight call on Android. Yeah, right. On the racer. Yeah, the E5. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Two rides there on Racer 75. I want to get a couple night rides on Twisted Timbers. It's showing a 30-minute wait. I hope that's not true, but then I think I want to hit up Flight of Fear. So, yep, let's go. Great ride there on Twisted Timbers. I want to hit up Flight of Fear now. But I'll tell you, Twisted Timbers is flying tonight. Great night so far at King's Dominion. Hey guys, just real quick, one quick selfie. Guys, let's go. Alright, let's go.
I don't know if I'm supposed to do that, but just kidding.
Alright, then enjoy your ride, ladies and gentlemen.
Greener, close the line. Once again, Greener, close the line.
For last couple rides there on Project 305. Amazing, incredible night ride, and an incredible end to a fantastic evening at King's Dominion. And well guys, that's gonna do it from this time here at King's Dominion. Great progress on Rapterra. They're so close to finishing this coaster. I'm really much looking forward to it. I bought myself a shirt already, so I'm really excited for this. King's Dominion is going to have a great lineup. They already do, and Rapterra is just going to add to that. And great night today at King's Dominion. But anyways, guys, if you liked this video, be sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button to stay up to date with all the fun stuff I got going on here on PA and J Throws. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye, guys.